Easily create beautiful and customized Excel bill of materials reports using Export BOM to Excel for Inventor. You can create bill of materials reports using different header formats to suit your needs. It is possible to create Excel report with multiple sheets and multiple column sets, or multiple bill of materials type. In this example, you can see how easy it is to create Excel with two sheets that have different headers and different column sets. You can choose properties and what the property headers can be. For example, here we have chosen columns, and we have given German names to columns. It is also possible to filter rows before exporting to Excel. You can either export bill of materials to Excel, or to PDF, or you can print it directly. Material properties, bounding box and mass properties can also be exported. Thank you for watching this video, and feel free to contact us or download the trial version from the website.